Get ready for a great 2023 with a digital planner. If you haven't jumped into digital planning, then you are missing out. One of our Blessing by Design Inspire Me digital planners is the perfect way to break into digital planning. This is our original Inspire Me digital planner. And this is our Inspire Me 2 digital planner. With just a tap of the button, I can see the whole year at a glance. It gives me easy access to month grids or weeks at a glance. If I tap on any date, I jump to that week. It's got templates under this categories cloud, 29 templates, like this one for travel, which can then be stored in one of our category sections. This one is for Go, so we could store our travel plans here. We have a Celebrate category, for example, where you could store one of our party plan templates. Best thing about a digital planner is being more efficient with your planning and organizing your week and your month. By copying tasks and appointments and dragging and dropping them, easy to move things around when plans change. It's easy to duplicate pages or erase items. When I'm on a month grid, I can easily jump these smaller grids to the previous month's grid just by tapping on it. Or I can go back forward again, just like that. Hey everyone, this is Mama from Blessing by Design. Today I'm going to walk through our very popular Inspire Me digital planner for 2023. In this video, I'm using the planner on a Samsung Galaxy S7 Plus tablet with the S Pen that comes with it. I'm using the free Xodo app from the Google Play Store, which you need for using our digital planner on an Android device. Don't need to upgrade to the Pro version. Xodo free version works great on our planners. Our digital planner is a PDF and it can be downloaded instantly after purchase. Be sure to check out our syncing videos so that you learn how to store your planner file in a location, a remote one like Dropbox or Google Drive, that can then be accessed by all of your devices. You'll first notice the bright and cheery colors of our very popular original Inspire Me digital planner. If I tap on the year calendar cloud, I can see 14 months of planning because we included November 2022 and December 2022. On the year at a glance, there are icons beside the names of each month that will take you immediately to what we call the Inspire Me planning page. This is a place where you can jot down your goals for the month, we have a section for brain dump, where you just want to think about some ideas that you may or may not do, but you're wondering about and you just want to get them out of your head. There's a section for special dates. We also have a side list over here that coincides with all our different categories, where you can jot down some things that maybe you want to accomplish by category. The month names on the Year at a Glance will take you to that month's grid. This is a place where you can label maybe some more important dates. Any date that I tap on will take me to that week at a glance. Where there's room, the first week of a month, we have a place where you can write down some thankful things or things that you might be looking forward to. And months that have room for the last week, we have maybe some accomplishments you'd like to write down or things that you learned in that month that you want to remember. Every Week at a Glance page also has quick links at the top back to both that month's grid, and from the grid I can jump to any week of that month, and I can jump to that month's Inspire Me page from any week also. Something special about the digital planners we create are the templates. If you go to the Categories cloud, you can see the 29 pre-designed templates which are linked through these buttons. For example, we have a habit tracker. We also have a page just for planning out more details of your day. It's called the Today template, and you can copy and paste this page anywhere in your planner as many times as you need. We also have templates for crafts, have templates for journal, and we even have a budget template. You need to go to blessingbydesign.com and look at the product page. There'll be links in the description below so that you can see all these different templates we offer. We also have 4 types of blank pages which have patterns of dot, or lines, or grids, or even a checklist page. And finally, there's these 6 blank pages that you can use the tools in your Xodo app for creating your own template that you can label here and have access to and reuse again and again. If you're not quite sure about digital planning, on the store we also have free test files that you can download to test just the first few pages of a planner and see how it looks and operates on your device. On the side of every page here, you have access to the landing page of each month, which gives you an inspirational verse. We have navigation hints that help you know what's coming next. If you just swipe the page, you'll get to our Inspire Me planning page. And then next comes the month grid. And you keep swiping again and again, you'll go through that month's weeks at a glance. On the far right, we have these circle icons, which we call our category sections, which you can store pages that you create, templates that you use and duplicate. We have, for example, a cook section, we have a make section, and we have a buy section where you could store all of your budgets for the whole year. We also have 2 bonus sections that you can use for any topic that you need, possibly even for your work. Just like a paper planner, these work like dividers that keep everything organized for you. This question mark cloud at the bottom left corner of every page immediately takes you to our help section, which the first page is a linked index that shows you how the planner is organized with our month calendars first, and then the category sections, and then the templates, and then our bonus pages and help sections. They're linked, so you can actually tap any of the names in the list and it will take you directly to that page. After this index, you will find frequently asked questions, answers. We have links to our YouTube channel. We're trying to make more videos, but we have videos walking through some of the ways you can use your planner. And then we have step-by-step instructions for the GoodNotes app if you're an iPad user. For Samsung users, we have, or for an Android who uses the Xodo app, we have step-by-step instructions for how you duplicate pages and how you access thumbnails and how you can bookmark and organize, so as you've expanded your planner, you can keep track of where things are and there'll be quick links to jump to those pages. For some fun with your planning, you can use our Inspire Me digital stickers that we sell on the store. I like to use these stickers on the large month grid. On the store, we give you an instruction sheet that you can download, and you can learn how easy it is to place our stickers, to resize them and move them around and use them to enhance the look of your planner. So check out the store to see those stickers. Hang in there, we're about done, but surely if you've lasted this long, you can give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can keep up with all of our new releases. I want to go through these main month landing tab pages just so you can get a quick look at the inspirational verses and artwork that come with this beautiful, cheery, bright planner. This planner is a great way to break into digital planning. It's so much easier than paper planners. It's easy to carry with you. It's easy to edit. You'll be an expert on it in no time. I'm absolutely sure of that. We're always here to help, so please comment or send us an email. We love to hear from you and get feedback. Be blessed and have a great day.